Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Creative Popo, administered by Halima Abdul Shakur Bawani. Today we are here to present an experiment on mixing colors.
There are three colors in front of me, red, yellow and blue. I'll take two colors and mix them to make another color. First I'll take red and yellow. Oh wow! It creates an orange color. Amazing!
So children, now you get to know that when we mix red and yellow, we will have an orange color.
Now I'll take yellow and blue to make another color. Oh wow! It's a green color! Ooh, fantastic!
So children, did you get to know that when we mix yellow and blue, we have a green color? Fantastic!
Now, finally, I'll make another color, which I'm going to use red and blue. Let's do it. Oh wow! It's a purple color. Beautiful.
So children, did you see that when we mix red and blue, we got purple color? Will you please show us all the colors that you make once again?
I made orange, green and purple color.
Fantastic! You did an amazing job. Thank you for sharing this experiment with us. Dear friends, hope you like our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.
Creative Popo. Allah